Hi again, it's Sin. Sorry it's been a while since I did any kind of YouTube video, but welcome back. I had to reset up my camera setting, and again I apologize for the glare. I'm trying to still figure out the lighting in here, but this is my new camera setup so I can get a little bit closer in. I got another package from Fat Quarter Shop, and let's get into it. I didn't open it. I just pre-opened the envelope so that I could just get into it, and it's upside down so you don't see my address. So I'll be right back. Okay, so this is my holiday Fat Quarter Club, which I get monthly. Let me see if I can go like that to get rid of the glare. And it looks like Valentine's featuring Love Struck. And this was my January 2019 month edition. So let me get it out of the bag so you can see what we got. It's super cute. I wanted to do a red and white quilt for my daughter, and she loves hearts, so this will come in handy for that. So there's 12 fat quarters, and let me get the price. As usual, I'll list everything in the description where you can sign up. So it's $29.98 a month plus $4.95 shipping. So let's get into it. So there's 12. There's this really pretty hearts, outlined hearts on a red, darker red background. And there's a heart, kisses and hugs with a heart arrow through on a red background with little pink hearts. Super cute. Cupids with arrows and in a red background again. Oh, this is so cute. Love bug, ladybugs, cupids, kiss me. I really like this. Cute. Maybe I'll use the stripes for different things. Here's the cupid again in a pink background. And here's the kiss me in a striped background. That's really cute. And here's the same heart, outline hearts. And this is on a, I don't know if it's, I think it's like a either white or light pink background. And here's the same all the same kind of things that they had in the striped background designs, but in squares. So that's really cute. That could be a nice focal point, you know, if you put that in the middle. And here is again EXO with a light pink background with same light pink hearts. And here's a bunch of words: hugs, hugs and kisses, chocolates, kiss me, be mine. This is really cute. And this is on a white background. Ladybugs and hearts. This is adorable in a white background. And again, the EXO in a white background. Is that the same thing? Let's go look for it. I'm not sure. Sorry. Oh no, it's a little, so this is a pink background. This is a white background, and the other one was a red background. Okay, so that's it for this one. I hope you enjoyed. Have a great day. Bye.